Hi, this is Adam speaking. It has been a while since I was here. I'm from iroirogo.com. Now, today I'm going to show you Vice, digital business cards. There are many on the market, but this one is the one I've been using for a really long time. And I want to show you today the new user interface and what you can do with this. I'm on Plus account, is paid, but you can start for free. First of all, this is the new interface. I really like it. It's very clear. And first I would like to show you something. I will not show you now how to design the card. I want to show you where you can start and how. Create card, I like that because it wasn't like that in the previous one. So here you have already ready templates which you can use to start. And it's very nice. It's, of course, you can change the color, everything, the backgrounds. So for example, I like that one, and I would select this and would start designing here my card. But this may be a little bit later. So let's go back here. And yeah, as you see, it shows here already. Now, networking toolkit. So what you can do, email signature, you can fill in this. Adam, let's say job, CEO, just kidding, my company, and as you can see, everything shows here. Location, right? Of course, you can turn it off if you don't wish to show location. Phone numbers, so you put phone numbers here. Profile picture you can add, and the banner, let's go with this one, right? Those stairs, just for this video. So you see, this is how it looks like, and then you can also enter URL for that banner. Next, you have add links, just for the video, and this is where it links comes. You can have also your personal message here, and the colors you can change. For example, a color comes here, then comes to QR code. Then you have choice of fonts and size. Now, the thing is signature layout. This also can be different. We start like that, but you can put like this way. Or maybe you want this way. Or maybe that way, right? So, and then add to your email, so you can download and then add to your email. Visual background, this is the background for your online meetings, right? Zoom, WebEx, and some other software that you may use, and this makes very easy for other businesses. Then of course you can have compact layout. I prefer this one unless it wouldn't match anything on the screen. And also you can upload the logo here, and of course you have your QR code with your card, business card, contact details. So when you add QR code here, so another thing is you can of course change the color of your QR code, background color, etc. You can have other backgrounds. You can also upload custom backgrounds, so you can have your own, maybe something from the company. For now it's like this, right? So you have all different backgrounds. You can load more backgrounds and again have more backgrounds. Connect your CRM. For now is this. However, I hope, because this is new, everything more will come. You can also go to roadmap and request the feature or something that you'd like to see in Vice. So this is another good point because they're working on development. Okay, now add to wallet, and this is also very interesting. How many times you forgot your card? You just don't take your card, right? You are safe with Vice. You can add to your wallet your details, your visual card. So again, you fill in with everything here. I'm on Plus account, so I can change the logo, but when you're on free account, you cannot change this logo. It will stay as a Vice. So header, let's stick to the same image, okay, like that. And you can have header, so it also looks a little bit nice. You can change background, You can change your logo background, I mean text background, text, you can change your text, I'm sorry. And you can save to your Apple Wallet. The same is with Google, so the same thing. You fill in everything. Footer image, let's try it here as well, so see how it looks like. Select and leave as it is. Oh, it looks different. This is cool, I like it. So okay, this is another thing that keep you safe in case you don't have your card with you. So you just open your phone, wallet, scan it, and they receive the same information. This is AI business card scanner. This business card scanner is inside the application Vice, which you can have on your phone. It's contact book. So, okay, I have two contacts here. This again, all the time test. And one of the contacts is the founder of Vice. So let me click on his contacts. His details, I covered the basic for the privacy purpose, but you can also edit and change if you wish so. What else? Analytics, very, very good thing. Analytics gives you the idea what's happening, where your card was scanned. Here is all test. I wish I could reset this. Maybe this feature will come later, because now I'm testing and I'm stuck with those numbers which are not real. This is where it was scanned. It was in Netherlands. This is where I am now, and it's about me. And then the links here that where what was viewed on your card, top traffic sources, and professional card or contact card, whatever it was scanned. Another thing I would like to show you is Toolkit. When you click from here to Toolkit, you will see something else. You will see link in bio. So when you click this, you make your link here, your name you put, claim my link, and then you build. Now, here is leads form. Leads form, again, you put your name, whatever you want, and you can share it, and even online collect names, emails, contacts, etc. The follow-up feature, I think I didn't go through this. So this is follow-up feature. When you fill in the form, the contact form, you can send them out to email. Of course, this is preset, but you can change all this. Here you see the name you can take and have another name. I want to show you something else. Go stores, and this is where you order your card. Now you can, let's say, add to the cart, and it would redirect you to the page where you can order. You can choose color of your card. You want a glossy or maybe red, so you can choose it and just order it. So let's go back to beginning and go to the cart. So this is the cart we started. Do you remember I put this? And now let's say I put my picture here, so it will at least show you, give you some idea. This is how it looks like, and you can change, you can add here name, role, bio, and get some sections. So let's say phone number, email, and address, etc. I'm sure there are more coming, so this is just something that you can start with, and these are important, right? Now we can change fonts if you want. You can align them different way, and you can do the background. Let me show you something. See, this is the solid color, this is gradient. You can do this way, this way, this way. You can do it this way, how it's full. Okay, that. Have some dots, have something moving a little bit. I personally like this one. And you can change, of course, color, and you can change button color. You can change card text. Oops, not this one. Maybe this button text, let's say to red. So this is the lead form and the welcome message. So now it's turning off. Follow up emails also, you don't have to do it. Lead form, you can, you don't have to. Let me show you something else very quick. Go to setting. Let me save this. you go to setting, and then you have deactivate link. So what happens now? When you look at the link, it shows you link is locked. However, when you deactivate and visit again, so this is your contact capture. So when someone scans your card or a QR code, then this will pop up if of course you allow to do that. And then the lead can fill in the information here and connect. And this is where auto email, welcome auto email you can send. And this is your card. So another way is if you don't have this pop-up, then they will have this add to contact. This is all for now. I hope you like it, try it. The link is below. There's a little bit more information as well. So if you want to try, it's free. You just order your card and you can go ahead and do the professional networking with your digital new card. Thank you very much, and I speak to you later again. Thanks.